Today I'm taking an IQ test. Why? Because honestly, it feels like my brain was sharper when I was in high school. But if I can get a high IQ score, maybe I'll prove to myself that I didn't peak at 17. So the average score for students in their final year of high school is 105 to 110. The goal is to get at least 115. Okay, let's start. Okay, question 1. Left, middle, right, left, middle, right. Okay, this one should be okay, this one is a circle plus triangle. Wait, that's a diamond. Circle plus, okay, this one should be a diamond in a box. So that's E. Circle, circle plus, okay, this one should be empty triangle. Okay, this one's going from right to left and it's also rotating. So this one should be F. Same with this one, this is also rotating. So this one's E. No, wait, that's not right. D, there it is. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So this should be 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's E. Okay, this one's, so this goes from here to here, which is rotating. Okay, so this one should be 3, 4, 5. There should be 5 and it should be like here, so E. Okay, this one's interesting. Do I count? Okay, let's count. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, okay, 9. This kind of reminds you of Space Invaders. Shit. Okay, think. Okay, this one's actually kind of confusing me. Crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one should be 11, right? But it's side to side, not up and down. 1. Okay, I'm gonna just go with some random one, to be honest. Let's go with F. Okay, this one. The square is rotating. So it's going from here to here to here. And let's see with this. Same, still rotating. Okay, this one should be the square on the bottom left. Yep, this is the only one of the square. Okay, this one's rotating. This is going counterclockwise. And this should be pointing up then, with the black side on the left. Ooh, so this one. So the left side and the right side combine to make something in the middle. Or you can minus it and get the right answer. So this one would be a circle or an ellipse. Okay, this is rotating and getting light. Why is it getting light though? Okay, there's one light one in every column. Wait, every row. So this should be, it should be A. Okay, this one is dark. This is going to be dark. And it's going to be a triangle. Circle, square, triangle. So there's a square here. There's a triangle here. Missing a circle. And the line in the middle is rotating. Which way is it rotating? Clockwise? Is it though? Which way is it rotating? Anyway, let's see what options there are. It's going to be a circle, so it's either A, C, or D. It's, I'm assuming it's rotating counterclockwise, so it should be C. But if I look at the columns, it looks a bit different. It's rotating clockwise, so it should be flat, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go with A. Okay, 1 dot, 3 dot, 2 dot. And this is also rotating. So let's see, this one goes up, and this one... So the next one should be pointing up, but how many dots is it gonna have? 2 or 3? 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 1 and 2 and 3 in each one, so it should be F. Okay, this one is this should be empty umbrella thing, and it's rotating again. So it should be D. Wait, no. It should be empty umbrella, so B. This one's rotating again. But why is it that the final one rotates more than the previous two? See, because this one is at like 3 o'clock, and this is at 4:30, but this is at 7 something. So this would be here, and the final one should be here, so D. 2, whatever this is, antenna. How do you get an antenna out of that? Oh shit. Hang on. If there's 2 parallel here, and there's 2 this way here, it should be this, but rotated, right? So C would be the answer. Okay, let's go with C. Seems like there's a diagonal pattern of diamonds going here, so it should be either A or... yeah, should be A. Since there's also the 4 dots that's missing here. Okay, this one's... let me think about this one. It's a bucket and a Z, and then... okay, if I add this on top of this one cancels out, the bottom cancels out. But shouldn't the middle line cancel out as well then? Okay, let's see with this middle one. Add it on top, and it would be... this one would cancel out, and so would the side. But why is the... okay, the bottom was... okay, let's see with this one. If I add it here, the middle line stays because that's what's happened for the previous two. And since there's no other overlapping line, it should be a square, right? With a line in the middle? Or 2 lines? But there's no option like that, shit. Okay, this one's actually a bit confusing. Is it rotating? Rotating at a line. No. Triangle. Okay, I think I'll just guess this one, because I'm spending way too much time on it. Shit, there's only 14 minutes left. Is that A or B? I'm gonna go with let's go with A. Okay, this one you add it, so this adds to this and becomes this, and this one also adds to this, but since it's overlapping, I'm guessing it cancels out. So what you're left with is these, and this would be, if you add it over this, that means you get rid of this and this. What stays is the center. Yeah, so it should be B. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it should be B. Okay, this one's interesting. Square is moving one place each block, so it goes from left to the middle to the right. I'm guessing that the square covers the circle in this middle one, and this one stays the same. Okay, this one bottom stays the same. Okay, square also moving again. So let's see with this one, the bottom will be a square. So where's the square? And it should be from middle, left, middle to right. So it should be E. Okay, this one, the blank space is moving from right to left. And why is there 2 here? Okay, 1, 2, hang on. These are also changing position. Okay, circle is in the middle, then it's on the left, then it's on the right. That doesn't make sense. So there's 3 empty triangles in the top one, there's 3 empty triangles in the second one, and there's 3 empty triangles in the bottom one. So there should be an empty square in the bottom one as well. But which position is it going to be in? So it's either B or F. Okay, let's see. Circle, left, right, but not in the middle. And here there is a circle in the middle and the left and the right. Right, middle and left. So it should be F. Okay, this one's... Honestly, this kind of just looks like hieroglyphics to me right now. Okay, this rotates, but then this becomes like a K. Okay, I think I got... Yeah, I think I got it. So what you do is you put this one on top of this one, and the overlapping ones cancel out. And what you end up with is the final product. So this one goes on top of this, and it cancels out the plus here, and you're left with the center cross. So this goes on top of this. This top line gets cancelled out. There's one here, so let's find one that has one there. Okay, even though you know how to do it, it's still kind of hard to actually visualize. Okay, this line stays here, so D is not it. This line also stays, so B is not it. So it's either A, C, or D. And the bottom line is gone, so it's either still A, C, or D. And with this line, that gets wiped out, so it can't be A, and it can't be C, so it has to be D. Okay, let's go with D. Okay, 2 dots, 3 dots, 2 dots again. Okay, 2 dots, 3 dots, 2 dots again. 4, 2, 2. I wonder if they're rotating. Huh. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2. Okay, but why is there 2 dots here, but only 1 dot here? Okay, let's say that these 2 rotate. So these overlap, so you don't get it. And this one also rotates, so they end up here. But how do you get 1 here? I'm guessing that there should be 2 little dots in this row because there's always been 1 more than the 2 here. Okay, let me actually see. What if I times them? So this dot plus this dot equals a dot. This dot plus this dot equals a dot. But since there's no dot here, and there's nothing times a dot, which means no dot. Okay, I think that's it. So you do times. So since there's circles here, they stay, but there's no circle here, so that gets empty. Same with here. Okay, so that means there should be a circle at the bottom, and yeah, that's it. Cool. Okay, this is rotating, and this goes that way. But this, why is there 1 less dot here now? And 1 more arrow, 1 more line. Oh, this is the adding thing again. So these lines get added, and these cancel out. So this should mean that there's an empty line here. So it's pointing in this direction. So it's the only option that has that is F. Okay, how do you do this? Okay, there's a middle open, a wide open, and a narrow open. Wide, narrow, middle. Narrow, middle. This should be a wide one. So it's either A or B, but which direction is it going to point in? Okay, this is the right, this is bottom, this is bottom, this is left, this is up. So it's going clockwise. Yeah, still going clockwise. So this should point left. So it should be A, and it's wide, yep. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, this is, I think we add them together and then they overlap. So you overlap this and you get this. This gets cancelled out and you're left with this. Okay, yeah, makes sense. So let's add these together. So add this to this. So that means there should be a little triangle thing here. The only options with that are A or D or B. But there should be no line in the center here. Here, they should be empty. That means it can't be D. These lines overlap so they cross out and this stays. So I'm guessing it should be A. Let's go with that. We're running out of time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, how does this work? Is it rotating? Black one goes down and these two go on the right. But why does it go down? One. Okay, there's 2, there's 3 here. So I'm guessing that there should be... Yeah, I have no idea. I'm gonna just start guessing now since I have no time. Okay, dot, dot, square, dot, nothing, square, square. So square plus dot equals nothing. Dot plus dot equals square. Nothing plus square equals square. So this should be dot plus dot equals square on the top left. So, and square plus square equals... What does square plus square equal? Square plus... I'm gonna guess it equals dot. Nothing plus dot equals nothing. Nothing plus dot. Nothing plus dot. Square plus square equals... I think it's E. Not really sure. Okay, 2, 1, 2... okay, so this overlaps with this, so you get this. This overlaps with this, so you get this. Because this cancels out. This cancels out, so this should be... You get rid of the bottom one. You stay the top one. So you get rid of the bottom. Stay the top. Cancel the other 2. Okay, nothing on the bottom left. Nothing on the bottom left. These 2 stay. And this cancel out. So it's D. I got 3 questions in 40 seconds. Shit. I'm gonna start guessing now. Okay. Let's just go with B, I guess. Okay, this is rotating and adding one. Then there's one more added. 22 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna just guess. C dot dot. Okay, I have 10 seconds left. I can't do anything. This one, let's go with E. Finish. Yep, finish. Okay, that was higher than I expected. 131. Especially since I messed up with all the other answers. And I pretty much ran out of time. Somehow I feel this doesn't equal real life intelligence. Also, if you're wondering about the puzzle on the thumbnail, let's go over that as well. So this one took me a long time to figure out. Okay, so this square is pretty much rotating clockwise, so it goes from here to the bottom. And this circle also is rotating. It goes from bottom, and then it goes here, but then it gets overlapped by the square, so you can't see it. Then it goes here. So that this is going from here to here to here. And let's say the circle started off here. So it would start here, then go here, which is here. Then it gets overlapped by the square again, so you can't see it. So for this one, this goes up. Then for the third position, it would be in the top right. But the circle would be from here to bottom, and that would be in the bottom right, so it would be C.